We're in Tulsa, Oklahoma at Ike's Chili, Tulsa's oldest restaurant. We've been in business. This September will be 117 years. I'm an in-law of the original family. I had a great-great-great-grandfather that had a chili parlor in Guthrie, Oklahoma in the late 1800s, early 1900s. So I guess you could say it's in my blood. Now, we've got such a great fan base. One generation after another introduces their kids and grandkids to Ike's because their grandparents and their parents introduced them to Ike's. Will Rogers was a big fan. It's a simple chili, just meat and spices and one kind of secret ingredient. A lot of chilies have a tomato base. Ours doesn't. A lot of people tell me that the reason they like our chili is because it doesn't upset their stomach. Our number one menu item is what we call a chili three-way, which is spaghetti, beans, and chili. Alert 360, you know, I'm very pleased with it. An issue I had before with the other company is if the alarm was going off, somebody was breaking in, they sent me an email to notify me that my alarm was going off. Well, that email's not gonna wake me up at 2 o'clock in the morning. My Alert 360 rep and Ike's Chili family member, customer, he said, well, let's talk. We had an issue here one day. We didn't turn a piece of equipment off in the kitchen and that heat signature got picked up by the sensor and it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon and my alarm's going off here and I get a phone call rather than an email. So yes, I love the system. It hasn't been a problem. Good people to work with. It's nice to know that if something happens, and something will happen. I can't tell you how many times we've been broken into over the years. It's good to know when that does happen that I'm gonna get notified and we can get the police here, I can get here, instead of it being a surprise like what happened before. It gives us peace of mind and lets me sleep at night. Hey, if you live in Tulsa and you've been here your whole life and you've never heard of us, where have you been? You need to come see us.
All right, order up, three-way in the window. Woo!